Today is Sunday, March 7th. It's the beginning of the March fishing video. Ken was out one time this week, so I really didn't miss too much, I don't think. I think he got his limit. But anyway, hopefully we have a nice day. Here goes. Here's two guys parachuting. I'm doing a video right now. Yeah, seen them on the video. Some more people parachuting up there. Man, it must be chilly. Kind of a quiet day in the mangroves. We haven't seen anyone other than parachuters. I got a camera though.
She's got it all over. She's got a camera. She's got all her clothes on. I said, don't get excited.
She wants to see it. Are you?
May not be 10 inches. Oh, it's a keeper. What do you know? Here's another one. Is it a keeper? Nice. It's a sheep's head. Do they have to be so long? Yeah. 13 inches. Sheep's head. So did you get your limit?
Yeah.
Cool. What, 5 snappers and a sheep's head?
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. End of day. How'd you do today?
Good shit. Excuse me, nothing. This might be on YouTube.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
That's
you're
what
recording
counts.
us now too, huh?
Yeah. You're going to be on
That's
YouTube.
Mangrove Mama. Sure.
Yeah. There's one. I think it's the second one actually.
You ain't filming, are you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, honey. Oh.
Ken's got another one.
Oh, it's a big one.
Can you hear him yell? Oh, it is big. It's a nice snapper. I bet it's 14 inches. Yeah. Okay. Is it a keeper?
Yeah.
Cool. He says it's a monster. I don't think so. It's a nice snapper.
It's heavy. Must weigh 10 pounds. Oh, 10 pounds.
If you can catch it. It's a lively one.
Sucker.
It's a nice one. Well, I had the big one, but it got away.
I know.
Well, that's all for today. We'll see if we make it out another day in March. Today is Monday, March 15th. As my niece Brooke says, it's TWSS Day. That's what she said day. And there's a bunch of little fish here at the opening of the mangroves. We're out here just for a day of fishing. Our time's drawing near, so here we go. Action. It's the first fish of the day. Yeah, that's a nice one. Is that the one you were wanting?
I think so.
Good.
We love it.
Good.
Hey, how are you?
Where you all from?
Alabama.
I'm joking.
Okay.
You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Good. You need to go parachute next. Oh, that's a nice one. What you got there, Kayak Ken? Sheep's head? Nice. How big?
Legal. It just is.
What'd you catch? Nice. Looks like a nice mask. Give it to Vashista.
It's a reef tour.
Yeah. Okay, here we are. We're floating down the Amazon. There's a couple people skydiving. Well, Kayak Ken, I'm going to head in. I'll meet you later. This is the end of the March Kayak Ken's fishing video and the 2010 series. So until next year, this is Mangrove Mama signing off.